Yo, what's up, y'all? It is 4th of July. You probably hear some of the fireworks. It's still early. Well, not super early. It's 4:31 right now. Cheryl is right here.
Chilling in the shade because it's hot.
She was sitting right here, but you see the sun. Hopefully you guys are having a good ass 4th of July though. This sun is gonna be out for a minute. Like, it hasn't been getting dark until like 8 or 8 something. I know they're gonna be popping so many fireworks. I'm charging the battery on my drone so I can take it back out later. Got the chair and stuff out on the lawn, just sipping a little mixed drink or whatever. So finally Cheryl came through. No, I'm just but look at that hot link looking good as hell right there. She did it right. So Cheryl thinks that the ice cream truck has Zelle payment. Maybe they do. They might.
It's a new age. And plus, the last time we went to the ice cream truck, a mama flip cost $6 goddamn. So
Yeah.
they better be having some type of debit, credit, something.
I didn't even know what a mama flip was. Cheryl just reminded me that I didn't update. Damn. I didn't update you guys on if the ice cream truck does take Zelle, and it did. It took Zelle. She was able to get her, what's it called?
Mama flip.
Her mama flip. A whole bunch of fireworks. Fireworks are everywhere. This is one of the best feelings ever in Los Angeles. Not just some regulated that the fire department are doing, but it's some dope and everybody loves it.